yurta, roof of the yurta. There will be two parts, theory and praxis. And we have now 12 students, and this will be practical part here. We have already tent and bike, and this we purchased already. Now we will renovate until end of December, and we announced already tender, and until end of December we have to finish all this work, because money should be used on this year. So to go abroad, that's why the strategy of Narod State University to provide also the same conditions like in Bishkek. They don't need to go to Bishkek. They can also pass here courses. They can learn, and as I mentioned, we sent also abroad many students. But one of the problem when they will be back, they will work for other organizations like University of Central Asia, as you know, yeah, because the teaching process is and the work is in English language, and about 45–50% of the staff, not teaching staff, not faculty, but the workers, technicians of University of Central Asia, they are graduates of Narod State University. And that's why I asked them to support us, because we are preparing for them good specialists also. Yeah? Сложно, но they're teaching like this. Yeah. They use also, yeah? It's also small innovation. They can prepare